Hello and welcome to Aston Workshop. My name is Bob Garside. I've been in the motor trade for more than 40 years, 14 of which I've spent here at Aston Workshop in the restoration department. Aston Workshop was first founded in 1988. Now that's over 29 years ago, and today we've grown to be one of the world's largest Aston Martin centres, specialising in restoration, sales, repairs and parts, and also a whole lot more. Here we have an Aston Martin Virage 1992 left-hand drive automatic 5.3 litre. While we're here, we might as well look at the wheels and tyres. They've lovely condition and very good tread on the tyres. The wheels have obviously been recently refurbished. Right, finishing off on the bodywork, we'll just have a look at the front here. There's no major issues at all. One or two minor stone chips, which you would expect on any car that's been driven, but that's easily remedied. The car's been refurbished here at Aston Workshop, but nevertheless we'll have a good look underneath just to see if there's any points of interest. The engine looks oil tight with a nice clean sump, no damage. Stainless steel exhaust leading all the way to the back. We've got the back axle. Again, as we mentioned before, the tyres are good brake pipes. No splits in any of the boots or the suspension, and no leaks from the rear differential. As you can see, it's got a V8 engine in, 5.3 litre. Overall, the whole engine bay is very tidy. If you look closely, all the hoses and all the brightwork, etc., are in nice condition. Inside the car, you can see that it's been trimmed in magnolia hide with burgundy piping, which matches the outside beautifully. The dash is in lovely condition. There's no obvious signs of wear or cuts. The headlining itself is clean as well. As with all the Aston Martins of this range, it has the walnut veneered fascia, which has got a beautiful finish, and as you can see, there's no obvious cracks or any signs of damage. Overall, as you can see, it's a very nice, tidy car. Thanks for watching the video. If you need any more information, our contact details are at the end of this video.